Clash of the generations sa trabaho? Ganito ka rin ba, anak? May times na hindi mo maintindihan yung younger employees mo. Tapos, iba rin ang style ng older employees. At hindi mo alam paano pagsasamahin sila ng maayos as a team. Ang hirap, di ba? Nako, I'm sure you can relate to Karen's situation. Si Karen kasi meron siyang small marketing agency na meron siyang mga employees ranging from 22 to 45 years old. Ang problema niya, yung mga younger ones gusto ng instant feedback, flexible schedule at tanong ng tanong. Yung mga older employees naman gusto ng clear hierarchy, traditional work hours at may formal na communication. So ano ang nangyari? Laging may tension sa office. Feeling tuloy ni Karen parang oil and water yung team niya. But when she consulted me, I told her, Karen, ang generational gap, hindi problema yan. Opportunity yan. And when she realized that, she create mixed grade na project teams. Pinagparis niya yung tech-savvy millennials with experienced older employees. He also implemented reverse mentoring. Yung mas mga bata ang nagtuturo ng digital tools and the older ones naman nagsishare ng industry wisdom. And guess what? Naging mas innovative yung solutions nila. Less conflicts pa nga. Kaya anak, eto yung lesson. Different generations bring different strengths to the table. And so, instead of focusing on their differences, focus on how their unique perspectives can complement each other. Remember, diversity is not about age tolerance. It's about leveraging each generation's superpowers. Yeah, let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you want to avoid common business mistakes, learn more about my Business Basics for Business Owners na course. Check the link in the comment section.